Alright guys, welcome back to the Delpratt family channel. Yeah man, keep coming. Right about here. Alright, now this is Lancewood Meadows, located in Braham Heights, Exchange District, St. Anne. And this is a second unit type. So if you haven't seen the first unit, if you haven't seen that video, go on the Delpratt family channel, or it probably will be linked in the description box below. But go on our channel just the same and check out all our videos. Now this property is currently a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 1900 square feet, and as you see, the driveway comes paved. Now this driveway actually has bricks, but I think it typically comes paved. So if you do want it to be bricked, that's an additional cost to you, okay? But you do have your driveway paved for you. This is the landscaping outside. This is what it will look like just before the the grass is put on and the grass start growing and all those things. You have your palm tree put in, but let's go inside, because inside is where the magic is going to happen. All right, we start off with our patio, and yes, every unit will have a patio. And let's enter. Now this particular unit has 2 levels. This is the ground floor, and we have the first floor up above. This is our door. Nice big door, as you can see, with door frames. Wood is the feature of this door. All right, and let's go inside. As you enter, you have the stairway going all the way up to the first floor, but let's look at the ground floor first. Now when I come in and I see a stairway, automatically you know me, I was talk about the storage space. You got storage space, so you can do something with this. You can do a lot of things with this actually. Now we move on to the main feature. When you walk into our home, the first thing that we get greeted with is our living room and dining room, and this is our living and dining space. Remember that the space right here is right about twice, if not more, than the space in the first unit that we showed you. Okay, let's take some time to appreciate this space right here. Tons of space, and it's outside of the walkway. And you know what I always say about that? When you enter in, this is the walkway, and if you're going this way, so you got tons of space over this side to set up your entertainment center, your entertaining area, your conversation area, where you can sit and talk. And if you're a dining table type of man and woman, you got your space. And also, I love the fact we're moving into the kitchen. The first thing we're going to talk about is this quartz countertop. And these huge cupboards. These cabinets are huge. Like, look how tall they are. They are good. They go up to the ceiling. Like, them big, Adrian. Look at it. Yeah. Them big, right? They're really tall. And that leaves tons of space up there for storage.
You get a lot of cabinet space here.
A lot of cabinet space. And I love the carvings or the moldings that was put on it. It really gives it a touch, a little flair. I love the glass features right here. So the items that you really want to showcase a little bit more, you put it in those. But I love the feature of it. I love the fact that there's additional storage space down below in the cupboards, and we do have our drawers over here. So I'm really loving that feature. So this is a natural wood finish. I love the dark color or the red color, as some woodwork person would coin that word. We have additional storage above the fridge, and the fridge area is big enough to house most of the type of or the sizes of refrigerators that are around. Additional spaces, love the countertop. And there's also this little leadway or ledge that is left right here, so you can comfortably sit and eat. So if you don't want a dining table, you have a really good space that can hold just about 3 to 4 persons on this side. And of course you can go around. All right? So that covers the living room, dining room, and kitchen. This is a hallway. And if you're, you're gonna fix up right there, so make it so nice, right? And on the right of the hallway, we have our exit door. We also have our washroom. And this washroom right here comes with a sink, of course, a basin. And we also have it fitted so you can put in your washer and your dryer. There's also a pre-done storage area here, which I always appreciate that. That means that it's moving ready. You don't have to do that yourself. You can literally move in and then do whatever else you want to do with the space. Let's examine what's on the right of the washroom. So right here, at the right of the washroom, we have the half bath. You have your toilet area and your wash area right there. So your visitors don't have to enter into anybody's bedroom to use the bath, right? And to get that done. We are moving into the bedroom on the ground floor. And I appreciate this, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, let's examine that there is this space right here that you can utilize before you get into your bedroom. And when you get into your bedroom, this is the space right here. This is a really, really, really good sized bedroom, and certainly hold a king size bed with furniture in here. We also have our bathroom over this side, and the general theme of this bathroom, as you will see, is white with a natural complement going on of beige and gray and brown, right? Loving the bathroom, loving the counter area that gives you room to put down your stuff, so you don't have to be worrying about, Lord, I have this and I have to put this there. You have your space, you have space, livable space, usable space. Now we have the closet right here, and this closet is actually a fitted closet with your hanging space, and you have drawers down the bottom, and you have additional storage space up top. Now, I was talking about this particular room right here. A lot of persons are having concerns about buying into these homes with multi-levels, and they're saying, well, I don't know if this is going to be my forever home. What about if I have an injury and I can't go up the stairs? What about if I don't want to walk up the stairs every day? There's a bedroom downstairs for you, right? So this can be your bedroom whenever time you don't want to go upstairs. Let's go. But just before we go upstairs, I would also like to point out that we have base moldings and we also have crown moldings in this unit. Now we have the staircase, and the staircase is tiled, base moldings running right up. We have a metal frame with a wood top for the railings. Okay, now let's go. Up the stairs. First of all, let's get acquainted with this window right here. Let in tons of light. So lighting is very essential. Natural lighting, very essential, right? So as we enter, let's just appreciate the space that is being given outside the rooms right here. Just on the landing, as we come up, this can really be a nice little area to put a welcome table, or you can have a little conversation nook right here, right? So let's appreciate that space. Tons of space in this hallway, right? You don't have to brush against your house members when you're passing. And then we head straight towards this door, which leads out to the balcony. Whew, feel that breeze? Cool.
Nice.
Nice breeze. So this is the balcony right here. The balcony has glass covering the interior, and the exterior is metal, right? It's nice, it's modern, and it's one of those nice, classy, modern features that you can really appreciate and never gets old in 2024.
What's up, guys? Welcome. I'm there, guys, behind the camera. All right, so what I really like about this development, every single one of these 2-story units, the patio all have a view of the sea, or they're all turning towards the sea. So everybody will have a look of the beautiful mountains and the seaside of Ocho Rios right down there, guys. That's a really remarkable feature that they put into this development. We really like it.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, so continue.
So now let's head back inside. Come on, D squad. So this is the first bedroom on the first floor. So let's enter, and already the space in the room is shining through. Okay. First of all, we also have these really good sized windows that let in a ton of light. We don't have to open any blinds or anything. We can just literally walk in and it is already a space that we can film in, and that is remarkable. All right, it's remarkable for us. It's a really good space. You can definitely have king size furniture in this room. So it has tons of space for a king size furniture. Also a room that you can add an additional seating area, which is definitely the go-to style these days. We have a walk-in closet. And this walk-in closet you'd appreciate because it is already fully installed, that you can fold your clothes, put it in, or you can use it for your shoes, for your hat, for your jewelry. You have your drawers that you can put your clothes in, and you also have additional hanging space and storage space down the bottom. What that then means is that you don't have to buy all that furniture for this central area, and that will save you money. But it also is the modern style where you don't need all that furniture within the bedroom. You leave it for lounging furniture. Your bed, a lounge chair at the end, a seating nook or a conversation area so you and your partner can sit and relax and massage each other at the end of a busy work day, right? Let's also go into the bathroom.
Oh, so the AC already roughed in.
Oh, so Adrian also pointed out that AC accommodations have already been made. Yeah. So there you go. Roughed in. Yeah. Like as what Adrian said. Yeah. Good. So now we enter the bathroom. And again, the typical feature of these bathrooms is white, and I really do like that. It's a classic feature. We have our quartz countertop, really huge counter space. His and hers. So you know, film sink always dirty, yet one always clean. Shame on you, gentlemen. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. You have your drawer space right here. You have your storage space underneath your counters. You have your walk-in shower with your gliding doors. Yeah, right there. So. You also have your gray featured niche in this bathroom as well. Big bathroom windows, really good for ventilation, and your elongated toilet, and the space in there is really nice. And we shall go and see the second bedroom on the first floor. So we're heading to the second bedroom, and I want to point out this particular use of space right here. So we do have our hallway heading into the second bedroom, but there's also a storage closet right here, a linen closet for you to store all your sheet, your little knickknacks. Listen, who don't believe me? Comment in the comment section. Those who know the value of storage space in a home, who not gonna love this? Who not gonna love it? Yeah. So we're entering into the second bedroom, and we also have a gorgeous space here for you to use. We have the lounge space right here. We have two big windows, and in this particular bedroom, I'm not saying all the bedrooms will have it, but in this unit, there's also a view of the pool and the clubhouse.
Yeah, they're just looking to be at this location.
At this particular location. We have base molding running all throughout upstairs. We have walk-in closet again, and this walk-in closet have a little bit more space, so you might be the lucky one. You have your hanging area, you have your areas. I love the walk-in closets like this because this is really move-in ready, right? So you can set out all your clothes, all your furniture. You don't need to clean down, dust down, wipe down, spray down, sweep up, and hang up your clothes them. Fold up your clothes them, put out your shoes them. I like it. And this is the bathroom. Now, the bathroom in Lancewood Meadows is really spacious. I love the space that they give you here. You don't have to be moving it, or you have space to flex in these rooms, and I really like it. I love the countertops, love the storage. So if you are interested in one of these units at Lancewood Meadows, remember to link the Delpratt family in the description box below. You can call us or you can send us an email. We will definitely help you to acquire one of these units.
Did you enjoy that tour?
We did.
Thank you, Cass.
Thank you, Adrian.
Yeah, so guys, let us know in the comments your thoughts about Lancewood Meadows. We previously did in another video, linked in the description box, the bungalows, the 2-bed, how many bathrooms?
2 baths.
2 baths, and we are here now doing the 3-bed, 3.5 bath
unit.
All right. Very beautiful community. We already see the kids out riding their bicycle, their scooters, right?
And we saw one of our subscribers driving out of their newly bought home. Guys, tell me now, we did miss? No, we never miss. When we give you our product and we say it nice,
Nice, for real, for real.
All right?
Yes.
So that was very heartwarming to see somebody who actually saw our videos, watch our channel, and they watch our channel up to current, and they're in a community that we featured, enjoying it.
Yep.
So remember to link us up in the description box.
Yes, guys, and for purchasing, right here, all our information right here below. All right?
Yes.
Reach out to us. We love to hear from you. We will help you along your home ownership journey, or for you to buy one of these. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.
Peace.